Xlovers. Unconventional vehicles that'll blow your mind. HiPhi X. The HiPhi X is a full-size SUV that seats up to 7 passengers. It is powered by a 120 kWh battery pack that gives it a range of up to 680 kilometers. The HiPhi X is equipped with 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, which gives it a total output of 598 horsepower and a 20 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.9 seconds. The HiPhi X is a stylish and futuristic vehicle that features a number of unique design elements. The front of the vehicle is dominated by a large grille that houses a number of sensors and cameras. The headlights are also unique, and they're arranged in a horizontal line across the front of the vehicle. The side profile of the HiPhi X is also distinctive. The vehicle has a sloping roofline and a large glass roof that covers the entire passenger compartment. The rear of the vehicle is also stylish, and it features a slim taillight design. The interior of the HiPhi X is just as luxurious as the exterior. The vehicle is equipped with a 2+2+3 sitting configuration, and the seats are all covered in high-quality leather. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, and there are also a number of other screens throughout the cabin. The HiPhi X is also equipped with a number of advanced features including self-driving technology, facial recognition, and a panoramic glass roof. The vehicle is also equipped with a number of safety features such as a 360-degree camera system and a collision avoidance system. Rezvani Beast Alpha X. The Rezvani Beast Alpha X is a high-performance sports car that is known for its unique side window doors. These doors open upwards and sideways like the doors of a Lamborghini, but they also have a hinge that allows them to swing forward, like the doors of a Rolls-Royce. This gives the Beast Alpha X a distinctive and dramatic appearance. The Beast Alpha X is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 1,100 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 217 mph. The Beast Alpha X is also equipped with a number of other features that make it a high-performance vehicle. These features include a carbon fiber body, a racing suspension, and a Brembo braking system. BMW Z1. The BMW ZM1 was a 2-seat roadster that was produced by BMW from 1989 to 1995. It was designed by Klaus Luth and was based on the E33 series platform. The Z1 was known for its unique design features, including its removable plastic body panels and its hydropneumatic suspension system. The body panels could be removed to allow for easier access to the engine and other components. The suspension system allowed the car to be lowered by 3 inches at the touch of a button. Dump bed kit. The dump bed kit is a set of components that can be added to a truck to convert it into a dump truck. The kit typically includes a bed, tailgate, and hydraulics. The bed is the main component of the kit. It is made of steel or aluminium and it is designed to hold cargo. The tailgate is the door at the back of the bed. It is typically hinged and can be opened to allow cargo to be loaded and unloaded. The hydraulics are the system that raises and lowers the bed. They are typically powered by an electric motor or hydraulic pump. Dump bed kits can be installed on a variety of trucks, including pickup trucks, vans, and the SUVs. They are also a popular option for businesses and individuals who need to transport large or heavy loads. DMV Dual Mode Vehicle. A dual mode vehicle is a vehicle that can operate on two different modes of propulsion, typically gasoline and electricity. DMVs are designed to reduce fuel consumption and emissions by using the most efficient mode of propulsion for the given situation. DMVs typically have a gasoline engine and an electric motor. The gasoline engine is used for longer journeys, while the electric motor is used for shorter journeys when the vehicle is operating in stop and go traffic. When the DMV is operating in gasoline mode, the gasoline engine powers the wheels directly. When the DMV is operating in electric mode, electric motor powers the wheels. The DMV can also switch between modes automatically. Depending on the driving conditions, DMVs have a number of advantages over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. They can reduce fuel consumption and emissions, and they can also improve air quality. DMVs are also quieter than gasoline-powered vehicles, which can make them more desirable in urban areas. Jumping lowriders. Jumping lowriders are modified cars that are designed to jump. They're typically based on classic American cars such as Chevrolet Impalas and Cadillac Eldorados. The suspension of a jumping lowrider is modified to allow it to jump. This is done by installing hydraulic lifts or airbags. The hydraulic lifts are typically powered by a compressor, while the airbags are typically powered by a pump. The engine of a jumping lowrider is also modified to improve performance. This is done by installing a more powerful engine or by modifying the existing engine. The body of a jumping lowrider is often customized, and this may include adding chrome accents, installing custom wheels, or painting the car in a unique color scheme. Jumping lowriders are popular in a number of cultures, including Chicano and hip-hop cultures. They're often used in car shows and competitions. GTWORKS DMAX Pack. The GTWORKS 2021 DMAX Pack is a limited edition hypercar that was developed by British automotive company GTWORKS. The car is based on the GTWORKS hypercar but has been significantly upgraded with a number of performance and aerodynamic features. The DMAX Pack is powered by a twin-turbo chain V8 engine that produces 1200 horsepower. This engine is mated to a 7-speed sequential gearbox that allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.2 seconds. RAMSMOBILE. The RAMSMOBILE is a concept car that was designed by students at the Royal College of Art in London. The car is inspired by the work of artist and architect Buckminster Fuller. The RAMSMOBILE is a two-seater car that is made from a lightweight carbon fiber chassis and bodywork. The car is powered by an electric motor that produces 120 horsepower. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in 4.5 seconds and has a top speed of 120 mph. The RAMSMOBILE is designed to be as efficient as possible. The car has a drag coefficient of just 0.18, which is one of the lowest of any car in production. The car also features a number of aerodynamic features such as a rear diffuser and active front spoiler. The RAMSMOBILE is also designed to be sustainable. The car is made from recycled materials and uses vegan leather upholstery. The car also features a solar panel that can power the car's electrical systems. BYD's YangWang U8. The YangWang U8 is powered by 4 electric motors that produce a total of 820 kW or 1100 horsepower. This allows the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The SUV has a top speed of 200 km per hour. The YangWang U8 is equipped with a 150 kWh battery pack that gives the SUV a range of up to 600 km on a single charge. The battery can be charged from 30% to 80% in just 18 minutes. The YangWang U8 is a large SUV with a length of 5.3 meters, with a width of 2 meters and a height of 1.8 meters. The SUV has a spacious interior that can seat up to 7 passengers. The interior is luxuriously appointed with high-quality materials and finishes. The YangWang U8 is equipped with a number of advanced features, including a 15.6-inch touchscreen, infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a panoramic sunroof, and a 360-degree camera system. The SUV is also equipped with a number of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptable cruise control. Please like, share, and subscribe.